think I found the leak, Finn. It's a bad cut. Can you redo it for me?
Yeah, I can. Let's do this.
Whoa, 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 what are you doing?
You told me to cut the airline.
No, that's not how you do it. Let me show you how. Let's go.
All right. All right, so maybe my methodology wasn't the best, but it worked.
No.
Okay,
But we do have these awesome line cutters that you could use to make a perfectly square cut, like so.
Whoa. Does that come with my kit?
It sure does.
Oh, okay.
You like that?
I do. That's way cleaner.
Yeah.
All right, let's see what this is all about. Oh, that's perfect. Thanks, Wilson.
You're welcome. As I just showed you, the line cutter is going to be the best option to get that square cut on your airline. If you're in a pinch, there's another option you can use. And that's going to be just a razor blade. And let me show you how. To do so, put the airline on a table flat and press down firmly. To purchase these airline cutters, be sure to shop at your one-stop drop shop, bagriders.com. Be sure to shop at your one-stop drop shop. Does that make sense?
Go.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Oh, you got a Band-Aid.